Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I was going to attempt to sit down and try to do some sort of get ready with me. I had this whole idea of doing like an update of like where the heck I've been for the last 2 weeks, because I've never taken 2 weeks off YouTube in my 2.5 years. I also have some new products that I've been dying to try, but as you can tell, my voice is not cooperating at all. I completely lost it for a week straight, over a week actually. I've never lost my voice in my life. I don't know what this sickness did to me that made me lose it. And now I've sounded like this for almost a week. So I have absolutely no idea when my normal voice is going to come back. But I figure that no one wants to listen to this for 20 minutes straight as I ramble on about being sick and ramble on about Vlogmas and all the ideas and things I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about. So instead, we're going to flip the switch and do something a little bit different than what I had planned. And we're going to transition into a calm, relaxing, get ready with me with no talking. I'm sure you guys can appreciate that. And just relaxing, calming music over top. I have done one of these in the past and you guys seem to really enjoy it. And it was fun for me to film and I wanted to do another one anyways. So now is going to be the perfect time to do so with my voice sounding like this. I'm really hoping it comes back in full force in the next couple of days and I can really start to film my end of the year videos for you guys, because I have so many ideas. I've got so many things I want to film. I just cannot right now. I mean, you guys don't want to listen to this. I don't want to listen to this. No one wants to listen to this for 20 minutes straight. So I just wanted to come on, give you guys a little update that I have been very, very sick the last couple of weeks, lost my voice, and that I really appreciate your guys' patience with me. You guys are absolutely amazing. But without further ado, let's transition into the more calming, relaxing, nice portion of the video where I just do a little get ready with me with music, and I hope you guys enjoy.